everybody's been asking for a second video, so I'm gonna make another video. Jeep's blown up, obviously. The engine no longer runs, and when it does run, yeah, she knocks. There she is. Turbo kit, still got it. We're gonna get this rebuilt, and we'll keep going. Hopefully make videos faster. I need money. Alright guys, I did want to talk about what my expectations were with the Jeep and what my plans were with the future. Obviously the engine's out already, and I do plan on putting another engine back in it. I am not sure if I'm going to LS swap it yet, or if we're just going to build that 4-liter up. Uh, Either way, I feel like a 4.6 stroker or 4.7 stroker kit's going to be about the same price done properly if I were to just throw another 5.3 in there. I don't know, but those are just things I'm pondering on right now. As for the rest of my plans with it, the turbo kit's probably going to go back on it, unless I do a 5.3 swap. Obviously, that turbo kit is not set up for a 5.3, so if the 4-liter goes back on, the turbo kit will go back on. Otherwise, I'd like to go nitrous route. Main thing I do with the Jeep is take it to the sand dunes, so just having fun with it for the most part. But those were my intentions. I didn't want to leave anybody hanging who's actually wanting to follow the build, but hopefully within the near future, I will get it going again. Keep you guys posted.